Hey, are you getting positive ROI with your videos, or is just one failed campaign right after another? Because if you are frustrated that you've lost those couple of hundreds you saved over the last few months in hope of making a killing sales video, only to realize that no matter what you do, nothing seems to be working in your favor, well, today I got something that will not only change the way you play your videos, but also potentially turn each and every campaign you ever run into a winner. How about clicking no more than few times to make your videos autoplay on any device to give you crazy amounts of engagement, clicks, and ultimately sales? How about being able to retarget only your most engaged prospects? Last but not least, how about getting so much video views and leads that would probably require an autoresponder upgrade, and even better, get all that for way less money than you've been spending previously. Look, it's not even a secret anymore that video marketing is the best way to get more leads and sales. But it doesn't matter if you hire the old mighty Frank Kern to write your video script if you can't make your prospects play the video. And with the autoplay being shut down, you get none of the video marketing benefits unless you solve this issue. People scroll past your videos thinking it's an image, most of your traffic leaves the sales page before the video ends, and you're forced to pay a monthly fee for a decent video player that won't kill your conversions. Truth is, the browser's autoplay ban made it harder than ever to get results from video. As if all the browsers making an alliance against you wasn't enough, in late 2018, YouTube also disabled the autoplay feature. But that wasn't the biggest feature that they ditched. Now you can no longer hide the recommended videos. Each time someone pauses a video, a carousel with 12 videos shows up, and you know how people react to kitten videos. All those videos take your customers to YouTube and away from your business. So, is YouTube really free, or is it costing you more than you'd spend on a video hosting platform? Introducing VidBox, the most advanced, most organized, and most cost-effective video player that will let you autoplay your videos on PC, Mac, and mobile devices. No more relying on a slow and unreliable video platform to do one of the most important tasks. No more huge monthly fees. No more recommended videos that take your visitors away from your business. VidBox takes any YouTube video and transforms it into a smart video in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Copy and paste your video link into our web interface. Step 2. Customize your video settings and which playback options you want. Step 3. Drop your video embed code on your site, and you are done. That's it. Nothing more and nothing less. You are now well on your way to increase your video views, get more leads, and more sales. Imagine showing your visitors the videos that they want to see, the one that makes them take action. Imagine launching a new product and retarget only the most engaged prospects. Imagine one after another campaigns turning green with a positive ROI. Imagine getting local clients begging you for your service because you can let people call them right from within their videos. You can achieve all that and more with VidBox. The best part is, we aren't going to charge you an arm and a leg for it. We've kept the price very reasonable, so if you act today, you can get it for just $37 one-time fee. But just keep in mind, this offer won't be here for long, because here's the thing. VidBox is too powerful to be shared on a massive scale, and that's why we will be converting it to a monthly subscription soon after the launch is over. When this happens, price will be definitely not less than $67 per month or $297 per year. So the best time to get it for the lowest price is right now. Click the button below and get it before the price goes up.
Hey guys, in this video I would like to show you what the real cost of using YouTube is and how you can fix it. Regardless of what kind of marketing you do, affiliate marketing, reviews, lead gen, list building, selling software, these days if you're not using videos in your marketing, you're flashing a lot of money and potential down the drain. Now, I'm sure you have used YouTube in your marketing in the past. In fact, we all use YouTube to host our sales videos and whatnot, and we can all agree it's a very reliable video hosting platform. But without even considering the autoplay ban that happened not long ago, and that's blocking all of us from autoplaying our sales videos, lowering our conversions and profits, let's take a closer look at how free YouTube actually is. You don't actually pay money for YouTube, and don't get me wrong, YouTube is still the best when it comes to hosting your videos. But if you look at this review video that I just paused here, so we can analyze it a bit, you can see the real cost of using YouTube. If you look, the video is now full of ads and buttons people can click, and their single purpose is to take people away from your site and bring them to youtube.com. So this is what you pay for using YouTube. The real cost of using YouTube is the fact that YouTube is going to siphon traffic away from your site. It's going to take your site visitors, and people are going to come to your site, and people are going to click the links in the videos, and they're going to go away to another website without benefiting you at all. So this is the cost of using YouTube. And that's just one of the many problems of using the YouTube player or any other player available on the market. In fact, let me show you how our player looks like and what it can do for you and for your video marketing strategy. This video is also paused, and as you can see, the number of links and distractions was taken down to 0. This way you'll keep all of your traffic to you and benefit from it just like you should. Apart from this, we have many other crazy marketing features like autoplay, and since after every marketing video normally want your users to take some sort of action, we've added call to actions, and most importantly, we've made it so that mobile users have a unique experience on your video, because mobile traffic accounts for over 90% of the paid Facebook traffic. So we designed a couple of features special for mobile phones, like call now buttons that will open the dialer with your number filled in, so they can call you right away, or if they want to, they can message you on WhatsApp or Messenger. So basically we're covering the most used mobile platforms out there and have made VidBox 100% compatible with them. And because this is a player built by marketers for marketers, we have a split testing feature where you can have VidBox decide which of the two videos you're testing is performing best, and you can choose the action. It can be either conversions, clicks, or clicks on call to actions, time watched, whatever the goal is, VidBox can do it. And if you're sending paid traffic from Facebook, you'll totally love this player because it has some unique features you can't find elsewhere. And I mean the Facebook deep integration. The deep integration automatically connects with your pixel script, and whenever something happens on your video, like for example a CTA is clicked, a milestone is hit, like people watching at least 30 seconds in the video, or people call you on their phone, VidBox will report back to Facebook, giving you the possibility to optimize your ads for exactly the kind of people you want to see your video. So you won't find this kind of segmentation elsewhere. And on top of all these features, VidBox comes with 0 monthly fees and no bandwidth limitations. So click on the button below, and I'll see you in the members area.